Hi guys, if you want to sound smart and confident, then stop using these basic words and learn these advanced words right now. So, first basic word is excited. Don't say excited, say thrilled, pumped. Like she's absolutely thrilled with her new job. Or everyone was so pumped before the game. Second basic word is surprised. Don't say surprised, say stunned or astonished. She was stunned to find a 5 feet snake. I was astonished to know how quickly the baby learned to talk. Third word is interesting. Don't say interesting, say fascinating, captivating. For example, I found a fascinating book you should read. Her voice is so captivating that everyone listens. If you liked what you learned, then please like, share, and subscribe.